Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Customs YouTube channel. So today we've got a Toyota Aygo, or half a Toyota Aygo, let's say, since there's pieces missing from the car like that. The headlight is sellotaped in, the bumper is damaged, the screws that the previous owner has put in. So there's a lot of things wrong with this car, but we got it for really cheap. So what I'm going to do on this video, I'll let you guys guess below in the comment section how much we actually got this car for, and then later on we'll reveal the actual price on our Instagram channel, which I'll leave the link for below as well, so you can give us a follow and you can find out how much we actually bought this car for. Just a little clue for you guys, the market value for this car is around 1,100 or so. So that gives you guys a clue for the state that the car is in, and the mileage is around 130k. So that's a little clue, and I'll look forward to seeing your guesses below. In this video today, we're going to be changing the headlights. As you can see, it's all just sellotaped in, and this is not safe at all. So we're going to get that replaced today. But it's pretty sturdy though. So that's hats off to the old owner, since he's done a good job sellotaping this on. But we don't want no sellotaped headlight, so we're going to be replacing this. So we got a cheap second-hand headlight that we bought, and this is it. So here is the second-hand headlight that we bought. We bought this for £60, and we're going to be replacing that today. So what are we waiting for? Let's get crack-a-lacking. And if this is your first time to the channel and you like content like this, please do remember to subscribe and click on the notification button. And let's get straight into it. Normally for this job, you'll need a 10mm ratchet to take out some bolts underneath. But on this car, they've managed to put wood screws for some reason. It gets rusted when it's like winter and it's cold. And as you can see, it's already done that. So hopefully we're not going to have any problems taking it out. But since it's already done like that, and I'm not planning to change this bumper. Oh my days, look at this. This is not going to be a hard job at all. Damn, son. They haven't even put any screws here, and they've just left the headlight in like this. That is one crazy thing. This video looks like it's going to be shorter than I expected. Normally, you should be taking off the bumper in order to remove the headlight, but as you saw, the headlight just came out straight away. And as you can see here, nothing is bolted in. The bumper is just loose. This is absolute madness. Start off by taking the signal light off. All you want to do is twist this around and then it will come out. So that's that. Then you want to remove this plug going into here. And just push on this pin on top and then pull down the plug. And then last one, twist it out and out it comes. And that's the old headlight, this piece of garbage or rubbish out. This was how easy it was. Look at that. That is crazy, mate. I don't know how he's been driving like this. Here is the new headlight. So it's much better. And there is actually bits where we can actually bolt this in now. So hopefully we can just fit it in like this again. And then we'll find a way to bolt it down. So for this one, all we're going to do is take out these bolts that are existing there, and then we're going to use them again once this headlight is in place. So now we're just going to push this into place, make sure we got it in place, and then we can start bolting it down. Normally this bumper should be out a bit so that we can push this in. Since it's not out, it's making life a bit more harder. And there we go, I think we've just slotted it in. This brings us to the end of this video, and I hope you guys found it informative, even though there wasn't much that I explained on this since the headlight just came out. If you actually want to go and do this job from scratch, then bear in mind that you need a 10mm ratchet, a Phillips head screwdriver, and it will be advisable to have a trim removing tool, because you can get into the plastic bits and take out the pins. Even though I said that, you can get away with just taking off the bolts from the top, pulling the bumper out, and then you'll get access to the headlight, since there's only 3 bolts that hold the headlight in place. There's one right here, one right there, and one a bit further down. And if you remove those bolts, then you should be able to get the headlight out. But if it is your first time doing it, then just take off the whole bumper. There's a few bolts here, or screws here, bolts on the bottom, and a few screws on the top. On the plastic screws, just be careful when you undo them, because the thread on them can go if you undo them tightly. So hope you guys found this video informative. If you do like videos like this, please do remember to subscribe to our channel, and till next time, peace.